presenting you an exciting, unique scientific differentiator for our brand Cofares LS Syrup in productive cough management. You will be receiving this input in 3 slabs, 40, 30 and 20 quantity. Utilize 10 quantity in general physician and rest of the quantity for pediatricians. This is a series of input. You will receive it every month. So finalize the list as per the quantity received before 10th February 2019. So friend, how should you detail this scientific input? I will show you now. Doctor, presenting you an unique Cofares chest X-ray quiz. In your meantime or free time, make your right choice and answer it. Meanwhile, doctor, make your right choice in productive cough management with your prescription of Cofares LS Syrup. Cofares LS Syrup is superior formulation that offers greater safety and is delicious in taste. Cofares LS Syrup is available in mixed fruit flavor and is formulated with optimum viscosity for superior action. Doctor, as you are aware, leosalbutamol in Cofares LS Syrup is safe and first line short acting beta agonist. The dosage of Cofares LS Syrup is mentioned here. So doctor, make your right choice in productive cough. In children above 2 years of age, prescribe Cofares LS Syrup, and in children below 2 years of age, prescribe Cofares PD drop. The prescribing information is mentioned here. Doctor, requesting your valuable support for Cofares LS Syrup and Cofares PD drops.